In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a seated Zottman curl. So firstly, what I want you to do is I'm seated here on a bench. I've got the bench as high as it will go, so it's as upright as it can be. And then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my feet into a narrow position. Now, this is really important because in my position, what I don't want to do, this is how I would start off the exercise. If I've got this position going on, I'm going to knock into my thighs. So from here, if I've got the feet nice and narrow, I've got nice clearance to be able to do the start of the exercise. Now, firstly, I've got my lower back, mid back and upper back in contact with the bench. My head is not in contact with the bench. I'm going to squeeze my shoulder blades together. I've got my arms completely straight. My palms are facing towards the camera. So I've got a palm up position as I come into the first phase of the exercise. Notice how I've got now a palms down position when I come back down. So it's palm up when I come up, palm down when I come down. I'm always trying to keep the elbows in contact or as close to my sides as possible. And then you would repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. Once you put the weight down, make sure you brace your core and do it slowly under control. Once you've done your required amount of sets and repetitions, you've then done your first Zottman curl.